Hi friends! When it comes to enhancing your drawing skills for hands, real-life drawing is a game changer. Here's why. Drawing from life allows you to observe the intricacies of hands in different poses and lighting. It provides a first-hand understanding of the subtle nuances that photographs might not capture. Real-life drawing lets you capture dynamic poses and movements, adding a level of realism that is hard to achieve from aesthetic references. This helps in conveying emotion and storytelling in your artwork. Seeing hands in person helps you gauge proportions accurately. You can measure and compare the length of fingers, the width of the palm, and the overall structure more effectively. Natural lighting on real hands creates shadows and highlights that might be challenging to replicate without direct observation. Studying these light and shadow patterns enhances your ability to add depth and dimension to your drawings. Real-life drawing sharpens your eye for details. You'll notice the variations in skin texture, the subtleties of joint movements, and the way hands change shape in different gestures. Drawing from life creates a personal connection to your subject. It adds authenticity to your artwork as you are not just replicating an image but interpreting a direct personal experience. The act of observing, analyzing, and sketching from real-life scenarios strengthens your muscle memory. This muscle memory plays a crucial role in replicating those details when drawing from imagination or memory. So whether it's sketching hands while people watching at a cafe or drawing your own hands in various poses, real-life drawing is a powerful tool to enhance your skills in capturing details and nuances of hands. Happy drawing!